Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 9. Today we're going to be talking about multiplying by a multi-digit number. Multi just means more than one. You can use partial product, so partial means part of, right? So if we break our factors apart, we can multiply them together to get our full answer. So let's get started. Example 1. Today is Laura's birthday and she is 9 years old. Except for leap years, there are 365 days in 1 year. How many days old is Laura? So if we're looking at this, we need to find 365, the number of days in a year, and we need to multiply it by 9 because she's 9 years old. So my first step is going to be to estimate 9 times something. What should we estimate 365 to be? I'm saying let's go to 400. I don't love doing that, but that's really the only easy way to multiply, right? 9 times 4 is 36. 2 zeros. Should be about 3,600 days, and this is going to be high. So we want it to be quite, not a lot below 3,600, but it's going to be below 3,600. Okay, so let's multiply. So what I'm going to do first is 9 times 5. So this is, this is a different way. So this isn't our normal way, but this is kind of a different way of doing it. So let's just go with it. 9 times 5 is 45. Then I'm going to multiply 9 times 6, but that number's not 6, it's 6D. Okay, so if I'm going to multiply 9 times 60, 9 times 6 is 54, but that's not 6, it's 6D, so I need to put my 0 in. Then I'm going to multiply 9 times 300. Okay, so 9 times 3 is 27. But I didn't multiply it by 3. I multiplied it by 300. So I've got 2 zeros here. So I need to put my 2 zeros in over here. And then I can add. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 1 and 2 is 3. 3,285. And it is below our 3,600, so we're good there. Another way to solve it is drawing, this is called an area model. Area model. And so what this shows is if I broke 365 into expanded form, 300 plus 60 plus 5, I did 9 times 5 is 45, which is just what we did here. 9 times 60 is 540, right there. And 9 times 300 is 2,700. So then I'd add up my different areas and could get my multiplication or my product that way. So she is 3,285 days old. So we could say, is it reasonable? Yes, because the product, 3,285, is close to the estimate, 3,600. Now you might be saying, Mrs. Hamer, but it's 300 off, 315 off. That's a lot. It is. But remember what I said, when we're multiplying, we can't get quite as close of an estimate as we can when we're adding, right? Because we went up 35 groups of 9. So that's a lot, right? So to go from 365 to 400, we went up 35 points, right? So with it, there's that. Anyways, let's do another one. Example 2. Find 3 times 1,175. Now this is the usual, using regrouping, this is the usual way we will solve multiplication. Okay, when you get into higher math, this is probably what you're going to do. The other way teaches you place value and number sense, but this is the way we will do it. So First, we multiply 5 times 3 is 15. So just like addition, we do 1 on top of the 7 because it's a 10 for 15. And the 5 in the ones place goes down below. Then I multiply 7 times 3, that's 21. And then just like addition, we add the digit above. 21 plus 1 is 22, right? There's less similarities when we're multiplying with regrouping, just like we did it with addition. Then 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 more is 5. 3 times 1 is 3. We don't have any to add on top, so I'm just going to write down 3. 3,525 is my answer. Okay, let's do some more practice here. Okay, multiply and check for reasonableness. Okay, so that means we need to add, we need to estimate. So I'm going to circle that so I don't forget it. 5 times 2 is 10. So I'm going to use regrouping method. 1, 0. 2 times 3, 6. Plus 1 more is 7. 2 times 1 is 2. So my answer is 270. Let's estimate here. So if I took 135, I'd say that's about 140. And this is only multiplying by 2. So if I do 2 times 14, that's 28. I have 1 0. So 280 is 270 close to 280, yes, and we can put a wavy line. Wavy equal sign to show that, yeah, they are about the same. So it does check out. All right, let's try the other way, the first way, okay? Now this is kind of the beautiful thing here, is you kind of get to choose which one works out best for you. So here I would be doing 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 30, so I'm doing 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 30, right, that 3 means 30. 6 times 3 is 18. 1 0, 180. And then 6 times 5, ooh, not 6 times 5, 6 times 500. 6 and 5 is 30. And then I have 2 zeros. 3,000. That's what I would get when I multiply that. So then we'd add 2, 8, 9, 1, 3,192. Okay, so then I can estimate, I'm going to say 532 is about 500 times 6. So if I do 5 times 6, I'd get 30. Oh, look at, we just did that right there, didn't we? 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 3,000. So is 3,192 about 3,000? And my estimate is low because I went from 532 down to 500. So this should be below my actual answer, and it is. So I'd say yes, that checks out. All right, one more page here. I want to go over how to set it up, really. So here we go. Number 5, this on page 252. You can always pause as you're going to that spot in your book. So if I take 3,525 and I'm going to multiply that by 6. Okay, 5 times 6 is 30. That's how I regrouped my 3. It's a 10. I can't put it in the ones place, so that's what I'm going to do there. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Okay. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 1 more is 31. And then lastly, 6 times 3 is 18, plus 3 more is 21. So my answer is 21,150. Let's do a quick estimate. Let's do, God, that's tricky because it's right in the middle. So let's go to 4,000 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. And 3 zeros. And this should be high. This should be above my actual. And it is. So we're going to say that's good. Okay, next. Here it says, find each product. If n is equal to 8, what would the answer be? Well, here's a problem. N times 685. So what I need to do is I need to replace n with 8. So I need to rewrite it as 8 times 685. Okay, so if I'm going to solve that, I would 685 times 8. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 4 more is 68. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus 6 more is 54. Right? 48 plus 6. Yep, okay. So we get 5,480. Let's do a quick estimate. 700 times 8. Okay, 8 and 7 is 56. 2 zeros. 5,600. Is that close? It is. Okay, so 5,480 is my answer. Put a comma in there. All right, that's all that I have for you for today. Thanks for watching till the very end, and I will see you later.